Recently, the city of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, experienced one of the most severe floods in its history. In just 8 hours, 179.7 millimeters of rainfall poured over the city, setting a new record for the region. The flood claimed the lives of 2 people, caused flight delays, and led to the closure of schools and major roads, including the one leading to Mecca. Streets turned into rivers, submerging cars and stranding drivers, as emergency services were dispatched to assist those trapped on the roads. This is not Jeddah's first encounter with devastating floods. A major disaster occurred in 2009 when over 100 people lost their lives. Despite efforts by authorities to improve the city's infrastructure, the city's drainage system remains inadequate for handling such extreme weather conditions. Residents have long called for more investment in flood defenses and infrastructure upgrades to protect against future calamities. The Saudi government has also announced compensation for those affected by the floods, helping to cover the damages. However, to truly mitigate the impact of such disasters, greater attention must be given to climate change, which is likely increasing the frequency and intensity of these events. We urge anyone who is able to contribute to relief efforts by donating to organizations providing aid to the flood victims in Saudi Arabia. Every contribution can make a difference in helping affected families rebuild and recover.
I'm really grateful to each of you for watching my videos.